Look around you. Different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
We have more voices from the Congress party coming in, and before I get to my colleague Niyamika to tell us more, we also have Amita joining us on this broadcast. Amita, there are more posts coming out. There are questions being raised on the way. The Congress party is silent. The Congress party has refused to take a stand on the victory of Team India, and there are others who are saying that no, this is not sportsman spirit.
Well, imagine this kind of lecturing that is now coming in on part of the PCB chief as well. Does the opposition actually agree with him? Because the ecosystem clearly is not even congratulating their own team, which is the men in blue. We should be super proud of them and the fantastic performance that they have put up. Now, Amit Malviya is also now of the opinion, especially when it comes to the opposition. He has been now posting as far as when it comes to raising the question that it seems India's stunning win against Pakistan in the Asia Cup final has left Rahul Gandhi and the entire Congress in a comatose state. Just like after Operation Sindoor, when they couldn't bring the news to themselves to congratulate the Indian Army for its stupendous strikes, they are now appearing to be waiting for permission from Mohsin Naqvi and the other handlers in Pakistan before joining the nation and celebrating the Indian cricket team's success. Put that aside, not even a single social media post from the Congress congratulating our national team for thrashing Pakistan thrice in the tournament and bringing the Asia Cup home. Once again, Pakistan, Rahul Gandhi and Congress find themselves on the same side of the divide. Pradeep Bhandari has also tweeted saying that Congress is against India's national interest. On one hand, Rahul Gandhi has not congratulated the Indian cricket team on thrashing Pakistan on the sports battlefield. On the other hand, when Pakistan is completely cornered, you have the Congress leaders asking for sportsman spirit against Pakistan. Why does the Congress always support Pakistan over India? Congress is now the B team of Pakistan.
Let's go across to Niyamika, and I think she is joined by a Congress leader. There are leaders of the Congress, Niyamika, who are today saying that we shouldn't have played in the first place. But remember, in the previous match, it was leaders from the Congress itself who had latched on to the provocative gestures, and leaders of the opposition who had latched on to the provocative gestures made by Pakistani cricketers, to slam the team and to slam the BCCI. What's the latest, Niyamika?
Well, yes, indeed. If we talk about the Congress Party's high command in particular, then there is a complete silence. There is no such congratulatory messages which has come on the part of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge or Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And to talk about this matter more, we have been joined by the Bihar PCC President, Mr. Rajesh Ram with us. Sir, कल हमारी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम की जीत हुई है, एशिया कप हम लोगों ने जीता है, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ अगर बात करें कांग्रेस हाईकमान की तरफ से कोई कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटरी मैसेज नहीं आया है, जिसमें बीजेपी सवाल खड़े कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि राहुल गांधी खुश नहीं है लग रहा है इस जीत से, इस वजह से उन्होंने कोई भी विशेष जो है वो नहीं दिए इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम को. कैसे जवाब देना चाहते हैं?
राहुल गांधी जी ने कई सवाल किए हैं, मसलन वोट चोर गद्दी छोर, 65,64,000 वोटरों के नाम काटे गए. राहुल गांधी जी ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर करके सवाल खड़ा किया. इसके बाद बिहार में 70,000 करोड़ का गमन हुआ. इसके बाद बिहार में भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दों पर कई सवाल राहुल गांधी जी ने दिया. बिहार में बेरोजगारी के जो आलम है उस पर सवाल किया. तो क्या बीजेपी के लोग इस सवाल के जवाब दिए हैं? सवाल के जवाब तो पहले हमारा ये सवाल के जवाब दें कि बिहार में वोट चोरी हुई है कि नहीं हुई है. राहुल गांधी की सवाल.
लेकिन सर, ये तो क्रिकेट टीम जीती है, हमारे देश.
The Congress party is now back to its vote chori raga, but there is not a single word from the Congress party on Pakistan's cheap cup chori antics that it did last night after the finals. Time for us to take a short break, viewers. We'll be back with more news and updates.